If really say my people, if Korra pass through wetin she takes bring out her music toxic love come out, if she pass through all those bully from her ex, mona know say Korra she be strong woman. If Korra pass through all those plenty bully, all those plenty things, and so many people still get the mind to say Korra marry the man because of he wan enter abroad or he wan come America. Jesus. My people, Korra latest music don come out. If you never see the music, to see wetin she pass through, hey, to see wetin Korra pass through for her ex hand, rush go and watch her. Go and see wetin Korra pass through for her ex-husband hands. Make una go see wetin Korra pass through. Korra, you be strong woman. You be strong woman wey ready say yes, I want to marry. Not be all young girl like this dey ready say I want to marry with the plenty talent wey God bless you with. Not be all girls. If you never watch this video, rush to Korra page. Make una go see. Make una go watch that video. The video is out. My people, this life not balance so. Now so many people still dey there dey judge Korra. That girl, she don't try. She don't try. Make una try embrace her the way she be. Make una not the bully person again. Anyway, I not brave them because haters must be hater. No matter wetin you try to praise them, no matter how you try to praise them, that hate don't dey inside them. When you go carry them, go where they go by, that hate can never leave them. Hater must be haters. Yeah. Some people na hater for this life. No matter what you do, e no dey sweet them. Because that hate, e don't grow, e don't born pikin, e don't born grand pikin, e don't born different pikin for our body, for their body. So they no feel that hate no fit comot for their body. Korra na really strong woman. My people, let's watch this video together. Let's listen to her. Hear wetin she talk. This life not banner. So please, if today na your first time when you dey come across this page and you never follow this page, wetin you dey wait for now? Help a sister by following, and also help me to like the video. Now free to like video, not be money. Just help me to like the video and share to your loved ones. Share to your loved ones and run to Korra page. Go and watch the toxic love is art. Go and watch it. Korra really try. Stay blessed.